Hey everyone, this is Cara Jane with Ice Cream for Buttercream, and today we're going to make some super easy Funfetti cake mix bars. They have chocolate chips in them and Funfetti sprinkles, and they're really easy because we're just going to use a cake mix to make them. One thing you want to make sure of is to make sure to use the sprinkles that are called Jimmies and not the little round sprinkles. The little round ones will bleed color into your cake mix bars. These are, you can kind of see, let's see, maybe you can see, they're sort of the longer sprinkles. You want to use those instead of the little ball sprinkles, little tiny little beads. I'm also using mini chocolate chips in these cake bars because mini chocolate chips are small and they don't sink to the bottom, but you can use any kind of chocolate chips you want to use. And as always, you can find the link to the printable recipe in the description below. Okay, let's get to baking.
In a large mixing bowl, you're going to add 1 box of vanilla cake mix. You can also use French vanilla or white cake mix. Then you're going to add 2 whole eggs and then 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and you're just going to mix it up really well. The batter is going to be really super thick. Then 1 cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips and 2/3 cup of rainbow Jimmies. Just mix everything really well with a spatula or a spoon. And then you're going to add it to a 13 by 9 inch glass pan. You want to spray your pan first so that nothing sticks. And I just like to use a rubber spatula to smash it around. If you spray your rubber spatula with some cooking spray, it's really easy to smash everything around and the batter doesn't stick to your spatula. Just make sure it's all smooth, and then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, and then you're going to cool the bars completely on a rack. Make sure they are completely cool before you cut, because if you cut them and they're still pretty warm, it's really going to just mess them up. And that is it. Super easy cake mix bars. All right, hope you enjoy.